To be talking about the concept of double pressure. And so, what double pressure essentially is when both bulls and bears temporarily join forces on the same side of the market. And so, to show an example, let's say we have a range in which the buyers and sellers are interacting near the extremes. So, sellers would be wanting to short up here, and buyers would want to be buying down here. And so, let's say, for example, we break the highs, right? These shorts right here are going to be forced to cover and exit their position, which would be buying. And then you'd also have breakout traders who are buying this as well. And so you have both the bear and the bull joining forces, and that's where you get the double pressure from, where we're having way more buying than just normal, since we have the bears who are also exiting and contributing to the buying. And so a lot of times this would just be considered a squeeze, and if to the downside, it would maybe be considered a liquidation, where we have all these bulls who are exiting their position or selling. And then we also have breakout traders or shorts right here who would also be selling. And so in these cases, we can get a lot bigger of moves just because of that double pressure. And a good way to identify this, if you're using footprint charts, is when we have a lot of volume in a specific area, as well as you'll often see high delta on either side of the range. And so let's say at the bottom of the range, you get these high delta areas where we are having a lot of selling and a lot of absorption by buyers. And then at the top of the range, you may have just the same thing or some sort of high delta. And so this just kind of shows the people who are positioning against each other and the high volume. And once we break from this auction, we should have a big move as shorts who are shorting up here are releasing, and then we also have buyers who are buying this breakout to go long.